How to add Gmail to Outlook. So if you want to add Gmail to Outlook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. You can go with your Chrome browser. Once you open your browser, now go for the Gmail. After opening your Gmail, go for the upper right which has that settings icon. Click on the settings, go for see all settings. And under this, you need to go for forwarding and POP option. Tap on that and make sure that you have choose the first option which is enable POP for all mail. So enable that, and once you've enabled, tap on save changes. And once you've saved the changes, now you need to go for your profile which is on the upper right, and then you need to go for manage your Google account, and here you need to go for security, and under your security you need to scroll down, and here you will have how you sign into Google, right? So under that you need to go for the two-step verification, and you need to enable the two-step verification. So I have already enabled my two-step verification under this account, so make sure that you have enabled the two-step verification. And once you've enabled, you need to go back and you need to open up your Outlook. So open up your Outlook application, and once you open your Outlook, it will ask you to sign in or enter the email and the password. So you need to simply enter the password and sign into your Outlook. And once you've enabled the two-step verification, then you'll be able to add Gmail to the Outlook. So that's it. It was that easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.